Allow me to say that today's video is extremely special because I'm going to show you one of the best deep conditioning treatments I have ever used on my hair with a blend of oats, fenugreek and okra gel. This combination is so rich, so nourishing and so hydrating. After every use, your hair will literally feel like it has been transformed. And I am not even trying to exaggerate. This recipe has sleep, moisture, strength, scalp health and shine all in one. If you have been struggling with dryness, tangles and breakage, or your hair is not bouncy, it is just stiff, today's treatment is the one you need to try. In fact, it's a must try. Like I said before, all you need is a cup of oats, some okra. For this video I'll be using the okra hair that I have used before. I just stored it in the refrigerator and now I am repurposing it, so feel free to use the okra head if you have it. If you don't have okra, you can substitute it for flaxseed gel, chai seed or aloe vera, just anything with some sleep. The next and the final ingredient for this recipe is fenugreek. I'm going to tell you all the importance of each ingredient, but before we do that, let's talk about why deep conditioning is very important. Deep conditioning is like one of the biggest secrets behind long, healthy, thick hair. Hydrating your hair keeps your hair elastic, and if your hair is elastic, it will not be breaking too much. Elastic means when you pull your hair, it will go back to its natural state, like it will shrink back. If you have natural hair and your hair doesn't shrink back after you pull it out, that means something is wrong. It's a sign that your hair needs moisture. The problem is that most people only moisturize the outside of their hair, but this treatment works from inside out. Every ingredient in this recipe was chosen because it delivers moisture, strength and healing power directly into the strands. If you had just taken down your hair, my advice to you is to whip up this recipe and use it on your hair. You will come back to thank me. And sorry, I am not taking this voice note according to the video. Please pay attention to the preparation process so you will not be confused about anything. So now let's talk about the benefits of each ingredient, starting with the oats. If you need something that draws in moisture, use oats. You can also use honey. Oats contains a compound called beta-glucan, which acts as a moisture magnet. That is why oats is a treatment that makes your hair feel soft for days. So oats intensify moisture retention. It also reduces tangles and friction on the hair. It smoothens out the hair cuticles. It also restores softness. It helps reduce itching and also calm irritated scalp. So if you want that creamy sleep when detangling, if your hair gets dry after 5 minutes of moisturizing it, then oats is something you should try. Just give it a try. This should definitely be part of your hair care routine. Onto the second ingredient, which is fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most powerful Ayurvedic ingredients for hair strengthening and growth. It contains nicotinic acid, iron, protein, and natural plant mucilage. Mucilage is that slippery consistency that fenugreek have. All of these properties of fenugreek is what strengthens the hair shaft while making it unbelievably soft. Fenugreek will help reduce your hair shedding. It will strengthen your weak strands. It will improve your hair thickness. Like when I tell you fenugreek will make your hair thick, I am not even capping. It will boost shine. And it also helps reduce scalp inflammation. Fenugreek is literally a natural conditioner inside a seed. If you have not used okra on your hair, prepare to be shocked. The gel from okra is rich in vitamin A, C and K. It also contains folate and natural conditioner that creates sleep like no other plant. So okra will give you 10 times more sleep for detangling. It also makes your hair insanely soft. It helps define your coils. It provides superior hydration for hair. It is long-lasting moisture retention. Okra gel is one of the best gel that happen to natural hair. The best part, you can use one stone to kill two birds. You can use your okra, reserve the head, boil it and use it as a moisturizer. Hope you all are paying very close attention. If you're confused about anything, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. When you combine these ingredients together, oats, fenugreek and okra, you will get a very rich deep conditioner that acts like a complete hair treatment. The oats moisturizes and conditions your hair, making it soft, While fenugreek adds strength and hair growth, the okra will add some sleep, hydration and sunshine. I'm going to use this first on my baby's hair, then the remnants I am going to apply it to my own hair. For this treatment, there is no age barrier. You can use it for your toddler, you can use it for anybody. All this put together will create a powerful treatment that will help repair dryness, strengthen your hair strands, reduce shedding and leave your hair so soft that your finger will literally glide through. I couldn't comb through my daughter's hair, but you guys are going to see. After applying this, you're going to see how the comb just glides through the hair. This is the power of this deep conditioner. So let me quickly explain the preparation method. You're going to first boil your fenugreek, then add in the oat. Allow this to cook for a few minutes, then go ahead and add in your okra. Ensure you cook the okra just a little, then go ahead and put everything in your blender and blend it up. Blend until you get that creamy consistency. Then go ahead and use your cheesecloth, sieve or any other thing to strain out your homemade deep conditioner. Ensure you strain it out thoroughly. The smoother your mixture, the better your application experience. No residue should be left inside. This treatment is easy, affordable and extremely effective. You don't need expensive product to see real changes in your hair. You just need to incorporate the right ingredients and be consistent with it. If you know that detangling is like a war zone, you are tired of your dry hair, you are tired of breakage, this recipe is your solution. Now, how to apply. If you have a full head of hair, you want to section it into 4 parts. Apply generously from root to tip. Focus on the driest part of the hair. Your hair should immediately feel soft, slippery and hydrated. Just observe how the comb glides through this hair. I normally can't comb this hair just easily. This is the power of this deep conditioner. It is very moisturizing. As you massage the treatment into your hair, you will notice how easily your finger glides through. This is what you get when you combine these 3 powerful ingredients together. Just take your time, be gentle. This is therapy for your hair. Right now, your hair is absorbing nutrients. The fenugreek is strengthening your hair from the root. The oat is pulling in moisture deep into your hair strands. And the okra gel is coating and protecting every hair strand. Just look at how soft it is, how bouncy the hair is. This will literally bring your hair back to life. After application, cover up for 1 hour and follow up with your favorite leave-in conditioner and a butter to seal in. I promise you, the moisture from this treatment will last you for days. Use this treatment 2 times every month. Use it consistently. Your hair will change, your moisture will last longer, and your coils will respond. Like, if you're there thinking your hair doesn't have a coil pattern, wait until you use this conditioner on your hair. If you normally take 3 hours to detangle your hair, with this, your detangling time will reduce drastically and your hair will finally start retaining length. After covering my baby's hair with this goodness, I am going to apply the remnants on my own hair. If you have not tried oats, fenugreek and okra together, let today be the first time. Your hair deserves this level of care. Your strands deserve this softness. Your coils deserve this hydration. And you deserve hair that thrives. If you're open to trying out this, let me know in the comment section. Just type "I will try it." Also, if you learned 1 or 2, please consider subscribing, like and drop a comment, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think might need help with their hair. Before you ask, you can store this in your refrigerator for 1 week. Don't keep it more than that because it will definitely go bad. Thank you for watching and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye.